I'm finally in Los Angeles and I'm excited. The Airbnb we have this week is so freaking beautiful. The view alone was enough for me, but the stairs was a struggle. I hate stairs and this house has 3 flights of stairs, so getting our bags up to our room was a workout. I will say that I was very tired and the time difference was a lot for me. All I wanted to do was sleep, but it was only 9:30 a.m. when we arrived, so I was trying to force myself to stay up. Let's just say my body completely crashed by 6 p.m. The only thing I was really able to do was grocery shop, and I was dragging my foot with that. But on another note, I cannot wait to try out the food. I already have a few places in mind, and I know exactly what I want on the menu. Also, let me just say, LA is a beautiful place. The people here are so nice, or at least the people I ran across, and healthy food options is literally everywhere. I cannot wait to try out the street food. The sleep was amazing and I'm starting my day with tea. My stomach always feels woozy after a flight, so I always try to have lots of tea. I'm adding in some lemon and ginger because it typically does the job. I won't be slacking off because I'm in LA, so I am still going for my morning run. The weather here is truly unmatched. I want to take the weather back to Atlanta with me. I am super excited, y'all. Yesterday was a blur because the time difference really messed us up. We had an early flight at like 7 a.m. So we were up since like 2 a.m. And when we got here, it was still morning time and it was too much. So we got into some things yesterday, but not really. We went grocery shopping. We also unpacked because I am super big on like unpacking whenever, I reach my destination, which is this beautiful Airbnb, which I love. But, I had to unpack. We were just like super beat. And my daughter is actually still asleep because it really messed her up like bad. So I am well rested and I am ready to start my day. I also want to hit up Santa Monica Beach. I'm a water girl. I love waters. And I want to just check out a couple of juice bars, smoothie bars. One thing I am super upset about is that I brought my juicer and forgot the lid. And it does not work without the lid. So I'm super mad about that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but where is it? It's back there. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. But I'm like super mad about it because I really wanted to make my juice this weekend and I can't because I left the lid at home and it's not like I could go in any store and I'm not buying a new juicer. It's just, so I'm gonna have to go out and find some juice bars. Hopefully I can find a great place that I could go that makes juices fresh and I can buy them in bulk for the time that I'm here. So hopefully, I find some place great. I love the view. Like, this view is freaking amazing. That's one thing I love about a lot of the places here is that they have huge windows. We don't have that really in Georgia. I think the most exciting part about this when I landed was the weather. Like, it is so hot in Atlanta, and when I got off the plane, it was like a breath of fresh air. I love a nice breeze, and it's hard to really get anything done when it's like super hot outside. I like to stay in the house when it's super hot, and it's super hot in Atlanta. Let me tell you, it was like 102 like before I left, and it's like, I think 79 right now. So, or 78, something like that. So I'm super excited about that because it's beautiful. Going for a run this morning really was like a great reset for me because I haven't worked out in the past 2 days and that's not the norm for me. I try to do some type of physical activity, every day. And I guess it would be because we did a lot of walking at the airport. So I can't really say that, but I'm used to getting in like a little run and I couldn't really do that over the past 2 days. And also I was trying to pack. I was trying to make sure I had everything I needed, although that failed. But I am ready to show you guys what food I am going to be trying and the restaurants I am going to be hitting up. I am going to put you guys on, okay? At least put myself on. I'm so ready to try out the juice and smoothie bars here. I'm so ready to try out Health Nut. Can't wait to get there, which is on my agenda today. So I am bringing you guys along, and unfortunately I don't have my to-go bag, so I will be using, and let me just show you, And I know it's gonna be crazy because whatever. I got this little bag from Sprouts, which is, the quality of it feels so great. But anyway, it's the plastic bag though. So for your groceries, for our planet, for the future. Reusable bags. So I will be using this bag, you know, to carry around my fruit and stuff like that. I really feel like I don't have to, because I feel like it's so many places out there where I can go and buy things. But at the same time, this will be a money saver, especially when we go to Santa Monica Beach. But you know, I've shown you guys so much in this video already, so make sure you stay tuned to my next video to see what I am getting into. So I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye.